Kids.
Hey iKids! Today we have a super fun activity planned. I can't wait for you to see what we're doing, and I want you to try this at home. But first, we need to invite our special guest.
Hi, my name is William.
William, do you know what we're doing today?
No, it's a fly.
I want you to look at the table and
Okay.
try to guess. Look at what we have here. What do you think we're gonna do?
I think we're going to do slime.
Slime?
Yes.
No, we're not gonna do slime.
I never saw this on the YouTube channel.
Do you remember, William, what we learned on Sunday?
Oh yeah, I can't remember.
You can't remember? We learned about Elijah, and he had to hide, and God sent ravens to bring him food. You remember that?
Yeah.
Do you remember what the ravens brought him?
Can't remember.
We learned that God sent ravens to give Elijah food, and the ravens brought Elijah bread and meat every day.
I'm about to say bread.
Bread. So, now guess again. What are we gonna do today?
Bread and meat.
Not meat. We're just gonna make the bread. Okay, first we need a cup of flour. Do you know which one the flour is?
I know this.
It is this one.
And that one too.
That one is the sugar.
Oh.
We'll do that one after, okay? Tell me when it's full.
That food.
Oh, a little bit more, a little bit more.
Oh, I told you that it's full.
Okay, now put it in the big bowl.
I told you that it's
It
full.
was full, oh my gosh. We need a 4th cup of sugar. Which one's the sugar? Grab the sugar.
Yeah, I can see sugar. That off. And put it in.
Yep,
here.
pour it in. Good
That
job.
kind of looks like snow. I want to eat it.
Like snow. We're putting snow in our bread?
What is that called?
This is called yeast. And this is what makes the bread big.
Okay, can I pour it in?
Yep, pour it in.
Oh, it.
Yep, all of it. Next, we need to pour this, William, into our bag. How about you hold this bag,
Okay.
and I'm gonna pour it in.
Yeah. I'm doing it crazy.
More. You gotta shake it real good. Okay, let me get a few shakes.
That's
Shake it a little bit.
That's kind of good. That looks like slime,
Like
actually.
slime. Now, we need to let this bag rest for 10 minutes. Three, two, one. Time's up. Now, before we add to the bag, we're gonna take this bowl.
Whoa. That is mustard here.
We gotta do another cup of flour. Is it full? I think it needs a little more.
No.
Put it in.
I want to do like woo.
Good job.
Oh,
Not much butter. I might need to use this one to get it out. We need 1 more cup of flour.
A cup of flour.
Woo! Good job. And this one we're gonna do like this. Okay? put it this way. Woo! You're strong. And start pushing it like that. Let me get... You hold on to that. See, it's not sticky anymore. See?
Oh yeah.
It's not sticky.
Now
Okay, give it a spray. Okay, that's good, that's good. Now pick it up.
I'll put it in here. No.
That's good, that's good.
Now fit it everywhere.
Okay, don't squish it too much. Got it in our pan, and we're gonna cover it up, and we're gonna let it sit there for 30 minutes. You gotta be patient, and then we're gonna see what it looks like afterwards, okay? Ready to see how much it grew?
Yeah, it's a water glue.
Okay, open it. Ooh, don't touch it, don't touch it. You're gonna take away its growth.
Okay.
Look how big this is.
Woo.
Yeah, it grew.
How about we wait for a little bit more?
We already waited 30 minutes.
Then how are we going to take it down?
Now we're gonna put it in the oven.
Time to go in the kitchen.
Now we have our bread in the oven, and we're gonna let it sit here for 25 minutes. So let's start on the timer. Ta-da! Look at this.
Let's turn it around.
Let me tell you, it looks good and it smells good. Woo! Ready to try it?
Yep.
Taste it.
But first I want to make it cool down this
It is cool down. It's just warm. Try it.
I'll take a piece out of it. Mmm.
Good. You can put a little butter on it.
Yeah, look good. Put a little butter on it.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make this. Remember to try it at home, and if you take pictures or videos, you touching my bread? Don't touch my bread. If you take pictures or videos, tag us on social media at IKids.IChurch. We'll see ya. Bye. Tell them bye, William.
Bye.
Bye.
Mmm. It's so good.